Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, it's a 40th birthday tonight in absolutely beautiful settings. Got the drummer here, Adam. Say hi to the to my fans, I suppose. So yeah, we're out with the V12 Band tonight. But check this out, guys. This is this makes my job well worthwhile. There you go, guys, check this out. Absolutely stunningly beautiful here. We've got a wood fire pizza going on. So we're playing in this converted barn. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. It's a new venue. The homeowners, which are these guys here, are just on with it now. There's a yeah.
Seeds under it all.
He is, totally. He might get that tonight. Plenty of poisson de lawn here as well. So yeah, this is my weekend work. And when we get gigs like this, it's just absolutely gorgeous. You got to meet this guy here. Celebrity.
Probably recognise me anyway, you don't need to tell him who I am.
Very handsome guy. He's nearly as handsome as me.
I haven't even done my hair either.
Yeah, look at this, eh? Saturday, day 2. Like all gigs, you have to take the rough and the smooth. But yeah, got a good crowd. It's an outside one today, so let's see what's going to happen. A lot of preparation on the outside bit.
Guys and girls, welcome to Stagger Monkey!